Same tech with the WORKPRO Cordless Dual-Temp Hot Glue Gun. So it comes with a nice little pouch. So we have got some fancy hot glue sticks. And here is the hot glue gun. So this does have a very nice rubber grip on it. We can't see this is pink. I personally really like pink because the type of people that will steal your tools are the exact type of people that would never be caught dead with a pink tool. So pink tools are very good in my opinion. You can also see that this is a 7.2 volt lithium ion tool. So you'll actually be able to use this hot glue gun cordless. So we do have a silicone boot right here on the end. The tip is still going to be hot, but we do have a lot of coverage on here to make sure we're not going to be burning anything. Power button right here on the back, and the trigger just feeds that glue in. Got a charging point on the back. It appears to be a USB-C. It says 5 volts, 2 amps. And it says it has a 2600 milliamp hour battery. It does have instructions. And we've got a charging cable that is USB-A to USB-C. So to test it, I'm going to use a stick of the red glue. And we'll feed a second one in behind that. Okay, so we've got 2 lights on there. We got green meaning that we have power, and the blue light is flashing to let us know that it is currently heating up. Okay, that did not take very long at all, so we are currently at max temp. Okay. The thing that's a little bit interesting about this one is that it actually puts out a fairly fine stream. If you need to be really controlled about where you're dotting, this could be a good option for that. I am fairly surprised as to how well that actually heated up. Most of the time when I turn these things on, even if they're plugged directly into the wall, they still end up taking about 5 minutes or so. So that is very nice. And we can see what we get with that glitter-filled glue. Although I can kind of mash that down now, one of the greater parts about hot glue is that it is fairly usable even shortly after you're done gluing. So if you need to glue something together and you need to be ready right now, it can be a good way to do that. So the next thing that I like about this is that most hot glue guns that I've dealt with, they usually lean forward. They have a little kickstand here on the front. This one is actually straight up and down. What we get out of that is that it is not dripping out whenever I put the thing down. Most of the time when I use a hot glue gun, there's usually a mess right here, and I usually have to put something underneath it to catch all those drops. So this is a fairly fancy hot glue gun. So yeah, nice feel, heats up quick, works great. That is a very nice hot glue gun.